Hey, I wanted to bring you another cooking video since I messed up on yesterday's with the cheesy bread. Yep. That's what happens when you're building models and cooking at the same time. I messed it up. But anyway, today we're going to do a surprise, pork shoulder. It's cheap. I'm cheap. $10. This one's a boneless. We're going to do it different though. I'm going to put it in the slow cooker. I've been putting them in the roaster a lot. So we're going to do this one in the slow cooker, and let's just get to it. So let's get down here, show you what I got. All right. You're looking kind of pale there, buddy. You okay? And he's got a lot of fat running through there. But we're going to pull these strings off because we don't need them for this. All right. I am going to start out with our regular culprit. Yeah, I know, I'm boring. Salt. We got pepper. We got a little bit of paprika. Whoop, way too much. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. All right, pat that all in there. Get that up there. You could trim this fat if you want. I'm leaving it because when it renders down, it's just gonna be flavor. More salt, more pepper, more onion powder. More garlic powder. This one has a lot bigger opening, so I'm not putting way too much. All right, pat that all down there. Get this on the sides. All right. This still has to get a little bit more at room temperature. I've already had it out for about an hour, but I want it to get cooled off just a little bit more. All right. Next step, it says to shear it on all sides. Let's see. How do I want to do this? That doesn't sound right. Let me double check. I know what the problem is. I can't read. I'm just kidding. I'm not following the recipe. All right, so in a pan, I'm going to get this pan nice and hot. Drop in some of this bacon up that I wasted my money on. Just save your bacon grease, Joe. Why pay $5 for bacon grease? Because I'm an idiot. So we're going to let that get hot. Don't worry about that smoke, it's nothing. All right, hopefully this is hot enough because I'm always so impatient. We're going to take this pork shoulder and we're going to drop it in. Let this go for a few minutes. On all sides, press down so it gets a good firm footprint in the pan. So we'll let that go for a few minutes. All right, let's flip her over. Oh yeah, that's a nice sear. All right, so this side I do have to hold it a little bit because it wants to lay back down. So you just hold it in place. While we're doing this, I like to take this time to say hello to my amazing ex-wife and my beautiful, amazing daughter. Hey guys, hopefully your weekend is going well. And Tracy, I hope you're feeling so much better. Your daddy loves you. All right, let's get this off of here now. That looks good. Set this aside. Now we're going to take these mushrooms and chop them up. Yeah. I bought the whole mushrooms. They were 2 for $6. If you want to get the ones that are already chopped, it's up to you. So, all right, set these aside. Okay. So in your Crock-Pot 4000, put your pork in the center there. Okay. We're going to take an envelope of Lipton's oh my God. See, I told you I can't read. Recipe Secrets. Whoops. Don't put the envelope in there, just the contents. This is onion, I think. Yeah, this is just regular onion. I didn't get beefy onion because I'm not doing beef. So we'll throw that in there. And then I'm going to do an envelope of pork flavored gravy. I used to like, they had a country roasted pork flavor, but they don't carry it no more. So just throw that in there. And then if you don't have any stock in stock, You could use water. I like to avoid water, but being that I've got these powdered ingredients in there, I do want to put some liquid in there. So I've got this chicken broth that's been sitting in the refrigerator. It should still be good. 16 July 2025. Yeah, so that's still good. And we'll just pour that in here. And that's probably enough. Okay. Throw the rest of that away. And then we're going to take our mushrooms. Shove our mushrooms in here. Oh, I probably could have used the other package. There wasn't a lot of mushrooms in that package. But it's just me, so it'll be fine. All right, we're going to cover this up. And like Emerald always says, we're going to set it and forget it. Our Crock-Pot 6000, we're going to put this on low, if I can see it, low. And we'll set this for 8 hours. And then I'll probably get impatient and take it out after 6. But 8 hours. All we're going to do is we're going to cook this until this pork shoulder falls apart. So, see you back here in 6 to 8 hours. Alright, so this is looking real good. It's got a couple of hours left. Maybe less than an hour. Like I said, I'm going to take it off early. Got some potatoes boiling for mashed potatoes. I was going to do rice, but the potatoes are sitting there and they'll go bad faster than rice does, so. Alright, let's take this out. I'm sure it's gonna fall apart. Not too bad. But you can see she's ready. Gonna need a couple of spoons of cornstarch. Putting it in some water so we can make a slurry. And let's see, scrape the sides. All of that is flavor. I'm gonna pour in our slurry. I want it a little bit thicker. So that looks good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cover back on this for a few minutes, just so it holds the heat. All right, let's plate some of this meat up. This really was a fatty one, but it's all good. Throw some of that goodness on there. And gravy. All right, there you have it. Let's grab some potatoes. Grab some of that meat. That meat just melts in your mouth. So good. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, everybody. Catch you on the next one.